Are you bored of having plain upma, plain vermicelli, and resort to having any kind of chutney or any pickle or side dish to have that to make your breakfast more interesting? I have one recipe which is not usually made, which by itself is flavorful, that you do not need a side dish. This is nothing but tomato vermicelli or tomato semia. So the primary ingredient other than the semia of course is tomatoes. The tomatoes give the unique flavor to this vermicelli. Tastes very nice if had on by itself. You need not have any kind of side dish for it. To bring out the flavor of tomatoes, you have to include ginger as well. So let us go and see how to make this recipe. Ingredients required to prepare tomato vermicelli upma are vermicelli roasted variety, based on your requirement. For each person I take one fistful. So if you are preparing for 2 people, it should be 2 fistful. I am going to take 2.5 fistful for 2 adults and 1 child, and 1 onion, 2 green chili, a few curry leaves, about 5 medium sized tomato, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, a little coriander leaves, oil, salt to taste, and turmeric powder, and about 1.5 inch ginger. So I am going to light the stove, take a vessel, deep vessel, add water to it. I am adding about 1 liter of water and let it come to a boil. So the water has started to boil. At this stage, let us add the vermicelli. Stir it in and let it cook. Take a deep bottle vessel so that it will not boil and come out. In the meanwhile, let us chop all this and keep everything ready for making semia upma. So this is cooked. I have to strain the water now. I'll strain the water and keep it aside. And I have chopped all the vegetables, the onion. I have slit the green chilies, pound the ginger, and I have slit the tomatoes, cut it into 2 and slit it like this, big pieces. So these are ready. I have taken a pan, kept it on the stove. The stove is on. So now I am adding about 1 tablespoon of oil. Let it get hot. Once it's hot, I am adding the mustard seeds. Let them splutter. Now add ginger, green chili, curry leaf, onion, and fry till onion becomes translucent and the raw smell of onion goes. So onion has become translucent, started to brown. I am adding the chopped tomatoes. Reduce the flame to medium. Add in salt to taste. Mix it in. The salt makes the tomatoes cook faster. And close it with a lid and let the tomatoes cook till they become soft and mushy. So now let us check if this has cooked. See, all the tomatoes are cooked and have become soft. Now let us increase the flame and stir it in. We want to all the pulp of the tomatoes to be removed. So that's the reason I have increased the flame and I am stirring it in. At this stage, let us add turmeric powder. I am adding about half a spoon of turmeric powder. This brings out a nice orangey color mixed with red tomatoes. If there are any big chunks, just press it with your spatula. Let all the water evaporate, not completely, a little. It should become a sludge kind of mixture. So this has become thick. Now let us add the strained vermicelli semia. I'm reducing the flame. Adding it in and then mix it up well with the tomato mixture. See the beautiful texture, color. Now let us add some more color to it. I'm just chopping in the coriander. So tomato vermicelli, tomato semia is ready. You don't need any kind of side dish for this. And remember, don't forget ginger. That is what gives the unique flavor to this. So do not skip ginger in this recipe, and do add coriander to bring out the flavors better. And to have better, tastier dish, I suggest you use the country tomato variety and not the hybrid variety. So this is one of my favorite breakfast recipes. Hope you liked it. Please let me know in the comment section how this has turned out to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.